Hello everyone, welcome to virtual learning classes of SLVM School, and this is your Valli addressing from SLVM School dealing with the subject English. So children, in the last video we discussed about the children who are very much interested to make the vacant plot into the best park in India, and they just want to say a lesson to Mr. Sundar Lal. Why? Because he commented as children can make the park into desert. So they just want to give a lesson to Mr. Sundarlal. So now I'm moving with scene 3. Okay children, yeah. In the park, many children are busy tending to the plants. So scene 3 is in the park, many children are planting some new plants. They are weeding, they are watering. Okay, Naina, Rinku, Sanjeev, Saif and Tarun are relaxing on the bench. On the time they are relaxing on the bench. Look at the picture. He is Mr. Sundarlal, Mrs. Sundarlal and some watchman. Okay, then Naina said, we made it. We have got all that we wanted. Then Naina is saying, yes, we done it. Now this is our best part. Whatever we want lake, we want flowers, we want playing games, arrangements, whatever we want, we have in our park. A fish pond. Then Rinku said, with lotus and some fish. Sanjeev said, a swing, pointing at the back. Look how the kids enjoy it. I think we have done a very good job. The tire which we have on these, we use for swing. Then Naina said, I wonder that Mr. Sundarlal would say if he could see the plot now. Then Naina said, Mr. Sundarlal will come and see this park. He will wonder. Then Rinku said, stop suddenly. Point at the rear of the stairs. Look, oh no. Then Rinku said, wait, someone is coming. Look, hey, see there? Oh no. The sound of a car slowing down and the pointing of a door is here. Suddenly there appear a car and the door is opening. Then Saif said, wow, look at that car. Naina said, and the driver in uniform, there is a driver who is on uniform. And there is a driver who is on uniform. He is not watchman, he is a driver. Okay. Then enter Mr. and Mrs. Sundarlal. Who are the people on the car? Mr. and Mrs. Sundarlal. Mr. Sundarlal walks purposefully towards the bench. Mrs. Sundarlal follows slowly, looking around with interest and smiling warmly at the children. So, Mr. and Mrs. Sundarlal came to the park and they are moving towards the bench. They are coming towards the bench. And firstly, Mr. Sundarlal is coming and later Mrs. Sundarlal is following him. Okay. And Mrs. Sundarlal just smiled while looking to the children's face. Then Rinku said, come on, grab your tails. Let's get out of here. Hurry, hurry. Then Rinku said, come on. He is coming. We will move out of his place. Then Naina said, quickly guys, run before he gets hold of us. Then Naina is saying, before Mr. and Mrs. Sundarlal appearing here, we just want to vacate this place. The children run here and there. The children rush simultaneously where they want to go. Pick up a tool, and there are some garden tools we have, right? So each and every children pick one garden tool and moved there and a plant there. And they went to plant there. Then what happened? See, here we have a possible conversation between Mr. Sundarlal, Mrs. Sundarlal and the people and the children. Yes. Then Mr. Sundarlal is saying, stop, come back. Yes, all of you. So, the people, the students who are trying to vacate the place, Mr. Sundarlal called all the guys and said, come back, stop, come back. The children turned and hesitantly moved towards him. Then the children stopped there and slowly, hesitantly, with a question mark face, they turned back and coming towards Mr. and Mrs. Sundarlal. Then Mr. Sundarlal said, quick, don't waste my time. Time is money, chasing. Bring the signboard. Okay. Then Mr. Sundarlal said, quick, Come fast, don't waste my time. Time is money. Then Sher Singh and called Sher Singh, the driver. Bring the some signboard. That means on the board there are some letters. The driver enters with a signboard. The driver came take the signboard. Then Mr. Sundarlal said, hurry up, come fast, come over here, turn it around and show it to the madam. The driver shows her the signboard. Then the driver take the signboard and shows to Mrs. Sundarlal. Then Mr. Sundarlal is saying softly to his wife, how do you like it? Would you like it? While showing the signboard to Mrs. Sundarlal, Mr. Sundarlal is saying in a soft and sweet manner that, would you like this? Then what was on the board? Is there any specialty? Any special gift to Mrs. Sundarlal? Yes. Mrs. Sundarlal, look at the signboard, then reads aloud, Kamala Lal's Children's Park. On the signboard, what was there? Kamala Lal Children's Park. Oh, I like it very much. Thank you, dear. What a wonderful surprise. Mrs. Lal motions the children to come closer. Do you like it too? On that board, what was there? Kamala Lal's Children's Park. And while putting his name to the park, the Mrs. Sundarlal is very happy, and she called all the children and shouts to the children that you are happy with this board. The children come closer and look at the signboard, then start to jump and shout with joy, exchange high fives and hug each other. Now the children are very happy. Why? Because there is no factory. There is no factory, there is a park. Yes. Then children, yeah, that's great. Wow, the children start dancing around. They started dancing. Mrs. Sundarlal cheering and singing. Mrs. Sundarlal cheering, clapping and enjoying and singing. She is a jolly good fellow. She too dances slowly. She is a jolly good fellow. She also dances, enjoying herself. Mr. Sundarlal looks at her surprised and turns quickly. While looking his wife, Mr. Sundarlal surprised and get happy. Mr. Sundarlal said, put the signboard up, Sher Singh. Hurry, hurry, don't waste my time. Time is money and I have lost quite a bit today. He smiles. While smiling, he called Sher Singh and he just want to put the signboard on there. Okay, and while looking this also, Mr. Sundarlal is saying, don't waste my time. While coming into the park, I waste my time. Hurry, hurry, we just want to move. While smiling this, he said this. Okay, children, finally, the children are successful on changing Mr. Sundarlal, successful on changing the vacant plot into a beautiful best park in Kirti Nagar. Okay, children, and this lesson, the author of the poem is Sigran Srivastav. Sigran Srivastav. Okay, children, thank you for watching my video, everyone. This is the end of the session. Thank you.